Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Etoro. So first is open your Etoro app, then tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen. Next, look for the option that says withdraw funds and tap on it. Now I don't have enough funds to withdraw right now, but I'll walk you through the steps. Once you've tapped withdraw funds, you'll need to enter the amount of money that you want to take out, and after that, tap continue. Next is choose your preferred withdrawal method, like a bank account or PayPal, whatever works best for you. Then tap submit request. And then you'll see a screen showing how much money you'll get and the $5 fee that Etoro always charges for withdrawals. And that's it. You can close the app and just wait. Your withdrawal will be processed shortly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.